Hey everybody, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It is your girl J-Roz back with another video, and as you guys can tell by the title down below, and you guys can tell by my excitement, I am reviewing the Black Widow X Ulta collection because my movie's finally coming out. You guys do not understand how hype I've been for the Black Widow movie. I'll tell you how hype I've been. It's been a year and a half, okay people? A year and a half that I have not had a Marvel movie, just a show, but you know I still love my Marvel no matter what. And we are finally getting the Black Widow movie that we all deserve and love. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna love it yet, but it's Marvel, so I'm probably gonna love it. Most likely. There's a 90% chance that I'll love it. You know, let's just go ahead and get into the video. You guys do not know, like, first of all, if you know me, you know I'm all about Marvel. Marvel is my life, not DC. DC does not exist. I don't even know who Wonder Woman is. Okay, that's all I gotta say. That's the type of energy I give 24/7 on this channel when it comes to Marvel. Actually, 24/7 everywhere. Like, at work, they'll be like, oh, you should at least watch Justice League. And I'll be like, you should at least go jump off a cliff and into full traffic. Like, that's how, like, when it comes to Marvel and versus DC, I'm Marvel all day, ride or die. You know, I don't even know what to say, but y'all get my point. Like, it just is what it is. Like, every Marvel movie that comes out, I'm pretty sure, well, recently, I'm pretty sure I've tried to do at least something Marvel related around that time. And this is no different because there's actually a collection based off of this beautiful movie, and that is the Black Widow movie that is coming out. Now, only one thing that I will mention that I'm really sad about is that I can't have my ride or die bestie, female best friend with me to like watch it. Like, we go and have been seeing at least every Marvel movie together for like at least the past 2-3 years. So for us not to be able to go see like Black Widow and like that's our girl, like, it hurts. It hurts. Okay, man, I'm rambling because I'm super excited. Like, you guys don't understand. Like, Black Widow is finally here. Like, I have been joking for so long. I'm like, if they push Black Widow back one more time, I swear Scarlett Johansson is gonna break into the Disney Marvel Studios vault and be like, give me the DVD or whatever we got. I'm releasing this right now on the internet. Like,
and they can't take it back now. I bought my tickets. I don't care if they rain check it. I would be up at that theater like, you better find something to put on that screen. That's Marvel related.
In honor of it finally coming out, I had to revisit the Black Widow X Ulta collection that I have. This is not new. I will show my original video, or I will link my original video up top as well as down below, but I had to revisit this because it's literally finally coming out. I haven't really used like the eyeshadow palette, the highlighter, the lipstick kits, and the lip glosses much since, but if you watch my videos, whether it's an Instagram reel or you watch my videos in general, and if I'm doing my face products or doing an eyeshadow look on camera, I use these brushes like so much. These have been a great investment. Y'all know I don't roll with Ulta products like that, but these brushes have not let me down. You guys know how I do. I'm starting with the eyes first, so I am going to the 12-piece eyeshadow palette. Why do they call it 12-piece?
12-piece? What is this, a Chick-fil-A meal?
But this is the eyeshadow palette for those of you who do not remember. I think my general thoughts were, I did like the formula. I did like how the eyeshadows do show up. The color story is pretty spot on to the Black Widow name, so to speak. They are kind of missing that staple like bright red like this. I feel like that's what they're missing. They do have the black, so they at least got that part right. They do have like this bluish shade, which makes sense because in comic books, even though she has black, you have like the bluish like undertones or like reflections of her suit, so to speak. So they got that right. They just don't have that like signature bright red that like is part of her logo. I'm gonna use the shade Covert. I don't remember how dark or how light these shades actually showed up on the eyes, so we are going to be trial and erroring in these streets. And why did I go that high? I don't even know. Okay, so here's my thing about this. I like that color, I really do, but I don't want it to look like the variant Loki look that I just did. If you guys haven't seen that, it is on my Instagram. If you have already loved my energy and my Marvel nerdy girl facts of life, you should be adding me on Instagram, and you should also be subscribing to my YouTube channel. Don't worry, I'll wait. No, I got stuff to do. So what I am going to do is take some of the shade Undercover, and I'm gonna add that to my outer V to make it more darker because it's a black, and you gotta add the black with the Black Widow look. Oh yeah, added the smooth, silky, sultry look with a dark, smoky eye. That's what that black gave me. I don't know why I tried to do my voice deeper than I could, but you know, it is what it is. We're gonna take the blending brush and then take a little bit of Fighter, and it's literally blending in with my skin. So like this is like a beautiful setting transition shade, but it's just so like the other two shades don't look as harsh. I want to see what the shade Cypher does. It's like more of like a greener champagne shade. Don't ask me why, just know I like it. As long as you can still see covert, I like it. Once again, if you watch my videos long enough, then you know whenever I talk through looks or anything, I never know where I'm going. At the same time, I never know where I'm going even when I don't talk through things. Y'all just don't see half of the conversations I have with myself about what the heck am I doing. But so far, I'm liking this. And then because it's me, I'm weird, I'm unique, and I want to add that like bluish shade, I'm going to do Infiltrate on the rest of my lid. I really like that shade. It has like a teal, like reddish shift to it. I really like that shade. And I know this look probably isn't everybody's cup of tea, but I really do like this look as well. This Luxury Intense eyeliner from Kiss Professional, or Kiss New York Professional, Kiss Pro New York. I just took the eyeliner, it's a black eyeliner. It's called Blackest Black. And I just like lined my lower lash line, and then of course after I do my face and stuff, I'll probably add a shadow on top of it or something, or I may just leave it like that. We'll see. So let me do my base off camera, and then we'll come back and do the face palette, which I don't know how much of the face palette I'm gonna use, but the face palette as well as the lips. So I'll be back. So this 3-piece face palette, this is the darker and darkest one, but we all know my thoughts from the Richmond review. Now you know dang well you should have made another one, Ulta. Don't play us. You should have made one way darker. This is for medium tan, maybe. Made like 2 or 3 more, maybe, at least. The blush, I don't remember if I used the blush, did it show up? But we're gonna use it now, so we will find out. So I'm going to use the Angled Blush Brush from the Black Widow collection, of course, because like I said, I've been living by these brushes since they came out. I'm seeing a little something. Okay, the blush is actually cute. Let me go ahead and start using that again. They didn't have a highlighter brush, so I'm just gonna use my highlight glow brush. I'm gonna take the shade Mission, which is the bronzer, and then I'm literally mixing the highlighter electric with it. I'm going very light about it because if it doesn't work, then I'm not messing up my face. We might have done something right there. I'm actually going to touch up the eyes a little bit. So I'm taking the shade Infiltrate. I don't think I need to per se, but I am going to take a little bit of the shade Undercover, which is the black. Alright, so next up we are going to move on to the lips. The 2-piece lipstick and lip liner duo set. This is in the shade Courageous. I also have Stealthy, which you guys can't even see what they look like. I'm going to take them out in a second. And then I have the 2 vinyl lip glosses. Once again, the names, whoever created this was stupid. The names were actually on like the plastic to make sure you knew they were new, along with the price label. So once you threw those away, you basically couldn't return it. So I don't know. I want to say it was Norway, and it might have been some city in New York. It might have been New York, might have been Brooklyn, Manhattan, something like that. But these are the two. But I will show you guys what the kits look like. So this is what Courageous looks like, that nude shade. This is what Stealthy looks like, which is a darker red. So I'm going to take the Courageous shade. This is the lip liner it comes with. It matches the eye look, so I'm not mad at the liner. Or maybe I should go black to match my eyes and the smokiness. I'm gonna take my NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the shade Alien, I think. Yeah, Alien, which is a black. All right, let's try Stealthy first. Roll it down a little bit. This is Courageous. And then I'm gonna try this lip gloss. And it's not like a squeezy tube, it's like an applicator. And I think the applicator being so dry is what threw me off. I've been not using this because I didn't like it first impression, and like now I do. Like maybe even the lip kit knew like Black Widow's finally coming out. Let me act right so we can like be used. Like what? Hold on.
Second of all, you know I'm vacillating here trying to...
I'm just happy that Black Widow is finally coming out. Like officially coming out. There is no stopping it this time. My ticket is bought. The shirt has been bought. I like how I look. I like how I feel. I like that I revisited this palette and this collection. And I'm actually not mad at mixing the bronzer and the highlight shade. And I'm actually not mad at that blush. As I mentioned before, and I think I said in my first review, I'm actually happier with this Black Widow collection than I was with the Avengers collection, because whoever was in that meeting should be fired. That's all I gotta say. Now that I am back, I am trying to figure out where to start when it comes to diving back into my makeup. So if you guys want to see specific things, please go ahead and comment those down below. I hope you guys really did enjoy this video. I hope you guys really enjoyed the Black Widow video if you are excited to see it like I am. But once again, I am your girl, J Ross. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. I hope you guys have been staying safe, happy, healthy, and blessed, and enjoying your summer. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Marvel will always be better than DC. Yeah, I said it. Fight me. Peace.